Oh, oh! Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vintage Model Company. Yesterday I went out with this aircraft. It's called the Caprice. It's a free flight glider. And this thing, which is an RC electric car that we sell on our store. It's called the Sound Scorcher. And we went to see if we could make this thing fly with by using a car and towing it along. So let's see what happened. I think you're going to enjoy the video. Remember to click like on this so other people can find the video, by the way. Thanks for your support. We're using a roll of fishing line that is attached to a little hook over here, and then that's going to go on the Sand Scorcher and tow this aircraft over here into the ether. We're going to see what happens. There's probably a 50-50 chance of us getting it actually in the air. I like to put numbers on our chances of success. The sketch factor analysis, as our friends at Flight Test say, I'd say this has got about a 50-50% chance of working. So yeah, let's see if we can get as high as that guy up there. It's probably a good idea if we glide test this plane before we tow it with the car, so let's just do that now. Oh, what a landing! Nice! Alright, take one is going to go straight towards that chap flying a plane over there. Alright, go when ready. Take one. Oh! Take one was a fail. Right, you ready?
Good to go?
Yep.
Go.
Alright, take three. Go. Yep. Yes! Heads! Heads up! Oh. Oh. Sorry! So that seems to work pretty well. We hit a car. So what worked last time is by holding the tail, we could get it up a little bit over the bumps. So let's try that again. Okay, you ready? Woohoo! Oh, that was a slightly shorter flight, but... Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, go towards the car again. Oh, that sounded like it hit the road then, so we're gonna go and have a look to see what the damage is. Oh, it doesn't look too bad for hitting a concrete road. So we decided that we're, just to see how far this thing will actually go, because the car made it head towards the road, come down the field and just hand launch it from here. So let's see what happens now. 3, 2, 1, go! It wasn't quite as spectacular as I thought it was going to be. Oh! Oh! Not quite. Alright, so that went fairly well. I don't know about you, but I thought that was quite entertaining, so maybe we'll try this again. If you want to leave a comment down below, then please do so. Make sure to join our Facebook fans group. It's the Vintage Model Aero Club. You can post your videos and all your cool things there, your builds of our kits. Visit our website, of course, and we'll catch you in the next episode.